Are you looking for a trustworthy source to obtain police clearance certificate from Hong Kong hassle-free and within shortest period of time? Then with RealScan Biometrics, you are in safe hands. We follow a simplified process and we take control of all your formalities on your behalf quickly and securely. Now let me take you through the process that you need to follow. Step 1. Fill the application form with personal details. Step 2. Submit the following documents: a completed application form, full set of fingerprint impressions, 3 recent passport size photographs, self-attested scan or a photocopy of your passport and other identity documents, a certified copy of your Hong Kong registration card or identity card, a letter stating the stay duration of you in Hong Kong, documentary evidence of your last residential address in Hong Kong, and lastly, Immigration Authority letter stating the reason for PCC acquisition. Step 3. Pay the processing fee. We accept payments in account transfer, UPI or cash payments. Step 4. Wait for your certificate to be processed by the issued authority. Now sit back and relax and wait for our team to contact you. Still have doubts? Then listen to what our satisfied customers have to say about their experience at RealScan Biometrics.